engine of the R380 was then used for SKYLINE GT-R, came out later, and was responsible for the successive victories of the SKYLINE GT-R in the following car races. This S20 engine is still said to be the world's best engine among the reciprocate engines. Continued to win races. 10 victories, 20, 30. The more races it won, the more severely it was observed, investigated and challenged. SKYLINE GT-R took all the challenges and established the eternal monument of 50 victories within 2 years and 10 months. Enzo Ferrari said, GT is the car with easy and safe maneuverability and full of racing experience. SKYLINE GT continually and endlessly sought a total balance of a car whose engineering capabilities could not be challenged. SKYLINE GT is a car of Japan. It has racing experience, long and comfortable driving, and above all, safety.